300 days on Duolingo, 0 days speaking. If that stings, good. If you just want validation and another year of not speaking Italian, click away. This is not your channel and I'm not your tutor. But if you are done freezing when someone talks to you, stay. I'm giving you 3 ego traps and 3 quick reframes that helped my students speak faster and drop the fake it feeling. And I'll show you live 1-minute hacks you can steal today. Let's start. Strict reward, checking in, not speaking. That little flame you love to share might be your worst enemy. A 300 days streak means nothing if you freeze when someone asks you, come ti chiami? Polishing running shoes does not make you a better runner. Progress lives in doing under small pressures, not in badges. So reframe it. Streak your mouth for 7 days. Do 1 60-second voice note today. How? Open your voice memos. Title, ordering coffee. Then speak 60 seconds, only in Italian, no pausing, no English. Number 3, 1 improvement note at the end. For example, hesitated on posso avere. Okay? Now, even if you ditch the apps, there is another silent mistake killing your Italian. Watching grammar videos and highlighting rules is not speaking. Reading about push-ups never built a chest. Memory sticks when a rule exits your mouth in context. So how to reframe it? 1 rule in, 2 sentences out immediately. Let me give you an example. Rule: vorrei for polite requests. Fine. Vorrei un cappuccino. Vorrei un consiglio. Pick 1 rule you already know, say 2 new sentences now. Okay, apps tamed and grammar spoken. 1 trap still drains your confidence and your wallet. New tools feel like progress, but they hide the mistakes you should fix. Buying a better mirror will not make your muscles look better. Your brain behaves like a muscle. The fastest and best resource is the recording you already made on step number 1 and 2. Shop your last recording. Improve 1 thing, then retake it. In 3 quick steps. Number 1, re-listen to your 60-second notes, okay? Choose 1 upgrade, for example, io ho 30 anni, drop the io, ho 30 anni. Number 3, re-record the same topic for 60 seconds. Now, if you really want to learn Italian fast and speaking feels slow or messy, watch this video next. It builds on the 3 shifts and gives you the next step. And remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!